The Cayo Perico heist. Approach Longfin. Going toward the hangars to get 2 secondary targets.
Thanks for the assist, Charlie. Here we are again. There is something special about amphibious landing. The calm before the tropical storm. And from what I hear, Mr. Rubio's mood these days, the storm is very tropical indeed. I'm starting to think our host has unresolved anger issues. Why don't we give him some more, huh? Now pay attention. You will reach land soon. GPS locked. I have your position. I will also access compound CCTV to see you when you are...
Between here and the hangar, only have to kill 1 guard. Cocaine is the highest secondary target out on the island.
Do not worry about having enough space in your bag for main objective. I have installed special compartment for it. I remember I once ran mission at nuclear reactor. Everything went smoothly until we realized how heavy is a brick of plutonium. Very heavy. Take my advice. You need to run fast. Pack light.
Using the Longfin, I approached the drainage tunnel.
Maintenance room. Perfect. As we say in Navy, you want the element of surprise? Choose least hygienic option.
Sneaking makes things so much easier in the compound. Watch the minimap with the guards' cones to see their vision.
¿Felipe le dio las llaves? No. ¿Me las tenía que dar? Lo vi hace poco.
Sí. Seguro se lo olvidó a ese pendejo.
The second guard that jumps over the ledge, his body got seen in the second wave of guards, so the alarm sounded after I got the objective. Being so close to the end, I just shot my way out, got to the motorcycle, and went to the 3 mines. Even if you are being shot at currently, the 3 mines work.
Looks like Mr. Rubio is heading back. Uh-oh. By the sounds of it, Mr. Rubio is getting back in his helicopter. Watch out.
A lot of hosts leave on this frame.